In the past decade, technology has reshaped every corner of our lives, from the way we communicate to the way we work. But there's one field where AI's reach is especially transformative: architecture. Today, in universities across the globe, there's a growing debate: are future architects in danger of being replaced by AI? AI is not just a tool anymore, it's becoming a partner in the design process, even in universities where future architects are trained. AI-driven design software can now analyze structural data, predict environmental impact, and even suggest design alternatives in a fraction of the time a student could. Programs like Autodesk's Dreamcatcher and SketchUp AI have revolutionized design capabilities. In universities, AI is being used to teach architectural design, helping students create complex structures faster and more efficiently. For example, in design studios, AI can analyze thousands of design parameters instantly, suggesting solutions for environmental efficiency, structural integrity, and aesthetics. It provides rapid feedback on ideas and shows them alternative ways of thinking, a professor said in an interview. But here's where things get interesting. Some critics argue that this shift towards AI in design risks sidelining human creativity and reducing the role of traditional architects. Could the next generation of architects end up being more like AI supervisors rather than creators? For centuries, architecture has been a profession rooted in creativity, intuition, and cultural sensitivity. Architects not only design buildings but also shape the way people experience spaces. But as AI becomes capable of generating entire architectural blueprints and even adapting designs based on client feedback, some are beginning to question if the architect's role is at risk. In fact, some industry experts are warning that AI-driven design could eliminate jobs that many architecture students have traditionally counted on. A recent report predicts that over the next decade, AI-driven design software could replace up to 20% of entry-level architecture roles, leaving students to question their future place in the industry. Despite AI's abilities, many argue that there are aspects of architecture that only humans can truly understand. Designing spaces is about more than solving functional problems, it's about connecting with people's emotions and culture. Human architects bring a cultural and historical perspective that AI still lacks. This emotional, human-centered approach is something AI, with all its algorithms, struggles to replicate. The artistry and storytelling of an architect's design are qualities that no machine can truly capture. While fears of AI replacing architects are valid, many experts believe that the future will be one of collaboration, not replacement. Universities are now encouraging students to use AI as a tool that augments their creativity rather than replaces it. At top architecture schools, students learn how to leverage AI to handle repetitive tasks, analyze structural details, and explore creative options, freeing them to focus on the conceptual and emotional aspects of design. By embracing AI as a tool, universities are preparing students to enter a world where human architects work alongside machines to create better, smarter designs. However, the introduction of AI also brings ethical questions. Who owns the design if it's partially created by AI? And what happens to the privacy of building occupants when AI collects data to improve functionality? These questions are now becoming part of architectural education, as students are encouraged to think critically about the implications of AI in their work. So, are architects being replaced by AI in universities? Not quite. While AI is reshaping how architecture is taught and practiced, it's not replacing the need for human insight, creativity, and empathy. Universities are now preparing architects of the future not just to be designers, but also thinkers who understand the potential and limitations of AI. As long as we value the artistry, vision, and cultural sensitivity that human architects bring, they will remain an irreplaceable part of building the future. The question isn't whether architects will be replaced, but rather how they will adapt and redefine their role in an AI-driven world.